Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ahrefs alerts for faster content updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Ahrefs alerts for faster content updates, start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the alerts section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Alert to set up a new alert. Choose the type of alert you want, such as new backlinks, keyword ranking changes, or content updates. Enter the URL or keyword for which you want to receive alerts. Adjust the frequency of your alerts according to your preference. You can select options like daily, weekly, or monthly alerts based on how often you want updates. Next, customize your alert settings by adding any specific filters. These filters can help you narrow down results to only the most relevant information. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on the Create Alert button to save it. Your alert will now be set up and ready to notify you about changes. If you want to download your alerts, go back to the Alerts section. Find the alert you created and click on the Export button. Choose your preferred format for the download, such as CSV or Excel. This will allow you to easily analyze and manage your alerts offline. Once the download is complete, open the file to review the alerts in your preferred application. You can now easily keep track of content updates and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly check and refine your alerts to maximize their effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.